Welcome to your week 4 science video. Today's experiment is called lung capacity. For this experiment, you're going to need some measuring tape. You're going to need a gallon jug with a cap on it. You're going to need some tap water. You can't see it back here, but I have an extra pitcher for more water. You will need a dish pan with water in it, about half full. I'm using this giant roasting dish because I made a huge mess the other night when I attempted this by myself. You're going to need some aquarium tubing, and you will need a pen. And really importantly, you need a helper. It says so right in the materials. I didn't have a helper the other day. I totally made a mess of this experiment. So today I recruited my super talented and beautiful niece, Bailey, over there. So that's going to be my helper. Okay, here we go. I'm hoping you can see with this video, but okay. So what you're going to do is you're going to put a piece of tape right along the side of your jug. I already did that. We're going to use that to measure the water level to begin with, and the water level after we blow some air into the jug to test our lung capacity. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your water jug and you are going to tip it upside down with the cap still on and invert it into the pan. And then with your super duper helper, they're going to reach their hands under while you hold the jug, and they're going to remove the cap. It's really important that you do this while the mouth of the jug is under the water. Otherwise, you're going to lose a bunch of water because air will get into, hang on baby, air will get into the jug and, oh wait, don't do it yet. Air will get into the jug, which will release water because no two things can occupy space at the same time. Okay, let me try this. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to mark with our pen. My helper is going to mark the water level where it's at to begin with. So right at that water level, just make a nice little mark. Awesome. And then the helper, while we hold the jug, let's see, where's the handle, is going to get that tubing into the neck of the bottle and pop it all the way up. Oh, she's getting it. We're going to pop it. My tubing is, okay, pull it out. Let's see if we can get it one more time. Okay, now squish it up. My tubing is really flexible, so it's not
We could try to
quite,
connect straws together.
we could. You know what? I'm going to leave it tippy a little so we can leave the mouth, so we can leave the top. The thing is, you need the top of your tubing above the water line. So I've got that now. I'm just going to take a normal breath. And Bailey's going to mark, hold on baby, I'm going to take a normal breath and Bailey is going to mark she's going to mark the new water line. Okay, here we go. Okay. Awesome. Okay, we're marked to right there. We're gonna now, hold on baby, we're gonna take the tubing out. Whoops. We're gonna add more water to fill our little guy back up. Okay, and I'm actually, baby, you gotta turn that down, sweetie. Here, let's put the cap back on. We're gonna do exactly the same way. Shh, hold on, baby. Hold on, baby. Okay. Yep, okay, we're gonna do that the same exact way. We're gonna tip it over with the cap still on. Your helper's gonna take the cap off. I'm realizing we probably should have 2 pieces of tape, but our instructions didn't tell us to do that. Ooh, look at that. We're really, really, really close to our original line. So I'm just going to go ahead with our original line and we'll compare against our first breathing line. All right, the helper's going to put the tube back in the jug. And remember, it has to go above the water line or you're not gonna be able to blow it all. Okay, here I am. I'm gonna take a really deep breath, okay? Inhale big time, release as much air as I can. Here we go. Can you mark it?
The marker's running out.
Oh, the marker's running out because it got wet. Okay. Well, that's okay. We got enough of an idea, right? Okay. Well, the marker's running out, but here's the thing. Here, I'll use the marker and I'll use this as a pointer. Okay. First time around, this, if we can see it, this is our original water level. Taking a normal breath, I displaced water enough to where this was our new water level. And the second time around, taking a really, really deep breath, enough water was displaced. It's really hard to tell because of our marker getting wet, but I was able to breathe enough air out of my lungs that water went down to this level right here. And you can see that's a huge difference. And the reason for that is because in normal lung breathing, only about, what does it say, 1/16